my name is Caio. I'm the marketing manager here at OLX Brazil. OLX is the biggest marketplace in Brazil and we have more than 50 million users per month. The users are posting 500,000 products per day at OLX. We started using AppsFlyer in 2014, first to measure our marketing results, and now AppsFlyer helps us to understand better how to use data to implement better our marketing campaigns. Before we have AppsFlyer on board, we were focused on bringing installs. And then with AppsFlyer, we started to be able to track events, deep KPIs inside the app. Now we are tracking what users are doing inside the app after the install. And now we are looking for retention rates, uninstall rates, and also cohort reports. One of the things that we really like on AppsFlyer is how easy it is to create APIs. We did an API some years ago between AppsFlyer data and our data, and now we are ready to connect both parts to create a whole new dashboard where we can study and apply a lot of decisions into just one number. We learned a lot with AppsFlyer, not only on the measurement part, but also with mobile trends, mobile fraud. One of the things that I really like in AppsFlyer is that they really care about us. They put us in the first place and they are very fast by answering us everything that we want in a short period. Since we started using AppsFlyer 4 years ago, our cost per install decreased by 70%. And now we have 4 times the total amount of conversion that we had on the beginning. AppsFlyer gives us a 360 vision of all the sources that we have in marketing. AppsFlyer is not only a mobile measurement tool, it can help you to build a whole new user acquisition strategy.